And here we are on ES. So pretty much, oh wait, we're on Bitcoin. My bad, my bad. All right, let's get into it today, guys. We're on ES today. So today was pretty bad for trading. I'm gonna be honest with you. We just made all-time highs again. There's really nothing you could have done today. Market made its move during New York PM session. I just got my London session highs and lows. So essentially, all we're waiting on is for tomorrow for high red folder news to come out. We got core retail month to month and retail sales month to month. So we're gonna be waiting on that. That's gonna make its move during pre-market. So I'm gonna be looking at a good spike during pre-market because for me it comes out 7:30. So yeah, we're just gonna be looking for that. Let me get okay. So yeah, let me just get the times marked out for tomorrow. Y'all gonna watch me do that. Wait. So yeah, we're just gonna be waiting for that to come out. Opens at, oh my god, 30 for me. And yeah, we're just gonna be waiting for that red folder news to hit. So there's not really much to speak on the charts today. I mean, we just had pretty trash price action. Like obviously y'all can see this. So we're just waiting for that red folder news to hit. There's not much that's really I can speak on the charts other than we just made all-time highs and we had choppy price action. Not a lot of people traded today. I'm waiting for that red folder news to hit. And yeah, y'all better have y'all's P&Ls ready for that day. And y'all better not blow y'all's accounts. I'm going to be angry if I see y'all's accounts blown because I did hear people still don't even know what red folder news is. So yeah. You could have took a trade on NQ. We'll get in that here in a second. Let me just get this marked out. Get that 5 a.m. I'm also marked out because that's also a kill zone that I love to mark out for tomorrow. Okay, let's swap over to NQ. See, this is what I'm talking about. Y'all could have done. Y'all's P&L could have been good today. I mean, y'all would have as soon as market open, bullish candle. Most people probably would have placed a trade right there. But I'm gonna be real with y'all. I don't think no one really traded today. I mean, y'all could have done something like that. I mean, as soon as that candle spiked, but I don't know whose confluence that was hitting. I mean, you're pretty much just betting on a lottery ticket for that one. So, yeah, we just had pretty trash price action, all-time highs. Not really much I could have done other than what I just showed here. So we're just waiting for that red folder news to hit tomorrow. That's core retail month to month. That's pretty much it. Not really much that I can talk about. I do got some motivation for y'all, as always. We'll get to that here in a second. Bitcoin, I can speak a lot more on, so that'll be more things that I can help y'all on. Let me just get this marked out real quick. Ooh, get that 830. Okay, and 830. Okay, let's get that. Bitcoin, something I can actually speak on today. All right, so basically, and we're already touching confluences already. So let me just get this marked out here so I can help y'all guys out. If y'all guys want to take a trade today, if y'all waiting on my video to hit. So let's swap over on, let's get volume out. Let's get volume out. Ooh, let's shrink down because we're already touching confluences here. Get this decent draw and liquidity down here. I'm probably just going to use that as a take profit here in a second. All right. So basically, I'm about to show y'all what I'm looking for. We're about to take short today. I just want to break. Hold on. I'm going to actually turn that line black because we can, pretty much delete that one since we just broke that one. All right. So basically, what I'm looking at, got some good volume today. Today was a good day trading on Bitcoin. I didn't take a trade today, but because I'm just saving my capital for Wednesday. So if y'all guys are itching to take a trade, basically, this is gonna be your entry point right here. As soon as my video hits, right here, I'm about to explain to y'all why here in a second. Showing y'all what y'all could have take right here, and we're just gonna place that right here, 2 to 2 restore ratio. Okay, so basically we're gonna get a break below these choppy price action right here. So if it goes under here, I want a candle closure within this red zone right here, order block, and we are going to short to here. Y'all might be explaining, well, this guy's just telling us to short for no reason. Well, if y'all see here, we had the volume right here. It's pretty choppy. It looks really good for a reversal onto this. So we already made a reversal into this order block that we already got right here. That's why I had this line of liquidity marked out, because I never mark lines through other candles. I only mark highs, and when I saw some good liquidity, so you got an inverse for, well, not really an inverse for value yet, but we did short here. So price action and the market already prepped for that news that's coming out. We're just pretty much consolidating within this area right here. So we want to re-grab these lows down here, and you're about to see why here in a second. So as soon as my video posts, I better see y'all taking that trade. This is literally easiest trade. I'm reading it like a book here. We could get a retest here into these. So it might not be exactly where. So y'all just want to look for a candle closure below those lows, and then short to these lows right here. I'm giving y'all free sauce right here. So y'all might want to take that trade here in a second. So I'm gonna get this video posted really quick because I want y'all to take that trade. And yeah, I'm just not gonna guarantee y'all, but I'm pretty sure candle closure. We're catching these lows. So the reason why I have this marked out is so y'all can use that as a take profit one. Y'all can use this take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3. So I want to see 50 and then 75 and then 100 as y'all's separate take profit lines. So that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. Just really speaking on Redding on that red folder news. I know that wasn't that much sauce. I mean, the sauce really came to Bitcoin here, but I mean, there's not really much that you can do when it comes to just all-time highs. It really does suck trading on those days. Jesus Christ. And my candles are really freaking like large. No need for all of that. So shrink all of this down. So yeah, not really much that you can do. Price action was pretty horrible today. TJR lost. So yeah, there is not really much that you could have done today. So that's gonna be pretty much it for today. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow when that red folder news hits. See, we're gonna get a retest into these highs. I already knew it. Retesting into those highs, and we're gonna get a fall down, literally. So I better see some shorts somewhere in this area, right here. Target this, and stop losses say on that second line. So I want y'all to take that trade right there. Give me all free sauce. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. And motivational for today. I almost forgot. And today is going to be developing a growth mindset. Talk about embracing the future as stepping stone for rather than a roadblock that you can share for personal stories of setbacks and how you can learn from them to become stronger, to come back stronger. So developing a growth mindset is hugely important when it comes to trading. I want you to be a sponge in this industry. I want you to gather as much information and the right information. There's a lot of like guys that just want y'all to buy their course and pretty much rob y'all. So be careful. I'm not here to take any of y'all's money. I just want to genuinely help y'all, and I'm giving y'all free sauce here. So waking up with a growth mindset and absorbing the right information here. There's obviously books out there that you can read on the greatest Wall Street traders. And look at this. So I need to get this video out for y'all, but so y'all can take this trade. I'm going to catch y'all tomorrow. I love each and every single one of y'all, and I want y'all to wake up with a growth mindset each and every single day. Peace out.